Grow fresh herbs and vegetables with ease using this hydroponic indoor garden kit. It employs water instead of soil, with a smart watering system and LED grow light for accelerated growth. The clear tank allows for plant observation, while an automatic timer simplifies care. Ideal for anyone wanting to enjoy homegrown produce year-round. Amplify your smartphone screen with this 20-inch screen magnifier, which enlarges visuals up to 6 times. It features a blue light reducing Fresnel lens to minimize eye strain, ideal for movies or gaming. Adjustable height and foldable design make it perfect for travel. Compatible with all smartphones, it's a practical addition to enhance viewing. Manage your medication schedule with this automatic pill dispenser featuring smart reminders. It's easy to access, with a smooth opening mechanism tailored for seniors or those with arthritis. The rechargeable battery lasts up to a month, reducing the need for frequent charges. A reliable tool to streamline daily pill management. Achieve a spotless clean for dental appliances with this ultrasonic cleaner that removes plaque and stains. Using high-frequency ultrasonic waves, it delivers a thorough clean in just 5 minutes. Simply add water and your appliance to the pod and activate. For tougher stains, combine with Zima tablets. Practical and efficient for oral hygiene. This magnetic screen door offers hands-free convenience while keeping bugs out and letting fresh air in. Its self-closing mechanism ensures ease of use, and the heavy-duty mesh suits both pets and children. Installation is quick with hook and loop tape and push pins for extra stability. A simple yet effective solution for your home. If you want to make perfect fries at home, this tool is a must-have. It cuts potatoes, carrots, and cucumbers into even strips quickly and easily. Simplify pet grooming with this nail grinder and trimmer, a gentle alternative to clippers. Its cordless, lightweight design allows for effortless grooming anywhere. Equipped with a nail guard to avoid overcutting, it offers variable speed settings for different nail types. Make nail care stress-free for you and your furry friend. Enjoy warm beverages with this electric mug warmer featuring 6 adjustable temperature settings. Ranging from 130 degrees F to 180 degrees F, it keeps your drink just right. The 12-hour auto shutoff ensures safety and convenience, making it ideal for long work sessions. A thoughtful addition for hot drink enthusiasts. Stay cozy with this heated blanket offering 10 heat levels and an automatic shutoff for safety. Made from plush, faux fur, and Sherpa fabric, it retains warmth even without power. Its long cord adds flexibility for use on sofas or beds. Cut down on heating costs with this comfy and energy-efficient solution. Travel light with these foldable hangers that save space while securely holding clothes. Made from sturdy material, they unfold smoothly and feature non-slip grooves. This set of 30 is perfect for various garments, from dresses to baby clothes. Compact and travel-friendly, they're an excellent packing solution. Transform your cooking experience with this intelligent all-in-one kitchen appliance. Designed to simplify meal preparation, it offers over 15 cooking functions, including sautéing, steaming, and sous vide. The user-friendly tablet control allows for remote cooking, making multitasking effortless. With included accessories like a steamer set and multi-purpose blade, you can easily tackle everything from dough to sauces. The stainless steel blade is strong and lasts a long time. With a handle that's easy to squeeze, you can push through whole potatoes without any hassle. It saves space in your kitchen and cleans up easily with water. Stir your coffee effortlessly with this automatic stirring mug, activated at the press of a button. Rechargeable via USB, it mixes coffee powder and water perfectly every time. Its removable bottom simplifies cleaning while preventing leaks. Made from durable stainless steel, it's a practical choice for busy coffee lovers. This pasta maker takes care of everything for you, from mixing to shaping the dough. Just add your ingredients, and in under 20 minutes, you'll have fresh pasta ready to cook. It comes with discs for making different pasta shapes, and you can even get creative with ingredients like spinach or herbs for added flavor. The compact size makes it easy to leave out on your counter, and there's built-in storage for the discs. Transform your coffee experience with a versatile 4-in-1 coffee maker that brews lattes, cappuccinos, iced, and hot coffee. Its built-in automatic frother adjusts to create the perfect foam for any beverage. Enjoy single-serve flexibility with the option to brew concentrated shots or up to 16 ounces. The stylish design, combined with a reusable filter and insulated tumbler, makes this machine a sustainable choice for coffee lovers.